how to find and edit scheduled posts on Instagram. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to find and edit scheduled posts on Instagram. The first step is to open or launch the Instagram application just like you can see here. You will land on the home page of the app. Once you are here, tap on the profile icon. It is this icon that appears here at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of Instagram. On this page, there are various options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From them, make sure you tap on this option here, which is the menu option. You will then land on the menu page of Instagram. This is the settings and activity page of your Instagram account, as you can see here. On this page, there are various options that you can use to manage and make changes to the settings of the app. From there, scroll down carefully. Continue scrolling until you come to this section named Scheduled Content. Once you tap on it, you will land on this page here, where you will see all the scheduled content linked to your account. You can edit it, delete it, or perform other actions on it, just like you can see from the pop-up that appears after you tap on it. The process is that simple and straightforward. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to find and edit scheduled posts on Instagram.